My autumn blaze maple started oozing black slime within the last few months. Cal at Memphis Botanic Garden diagnosed it with the slime flux. It has gotten much worse in a short time. Can I save it or should I cut it down while fairly small? And this is Mona from Memphis. All right, Joellen, so what do you think about that one?
Well, I think that is what she has, but now what caused it? It was usually slime flux is caused by an injury of some kind.
Right, it's a wound or something.
I would like to know if that is the south side of the tree, if maybe it has some sunscald damage, which is causing that, or if something else damaged it to cause that. And the other thing I'd like to know is, what does the other side of the tree look like? Because, a tree, if you keep the tree healthy and it only has that little section that is damaged, it might be able to overcome it or tolerate that with it. But if that's like that all around the tree, then it's going to be a terrible problem, and it would be. Yeah.
Mr. D?
That's what,
that's a problem.
I agree wholeheartedly. The trees generally do a really, really good job of putting a natural barrier between infection or damaged tissue and healthy tissue, and this oozing and this is kind of a byproduct of that. So the tree is trying to put a barrier between the healthy tissue and that tissue. That does look like I'll bet that's on the southwest side of the tree, and that's where freezing and thawing, and where you have real cold temperatures in the winter, and then it warms up in the daytime, and then it freezes again at night, and sunscald. That looks like that's probably what that is.
And maples tend to do that a lot, just because they're thin, especially when they're small, because that thin, small bark, it heats up faster, and then it cracks.
Yeah. But here's the question, though. I mean, save it, cut it down.
Like I said, if it's just that small area and she can keep it fertilized and keep it healthy, then during the growing season, it might overcome it. Otherwise, if it continues to get worse and worse, then she might consider starting over again.
I'm always with the cultural practices. Just see what may happen, but if it doesn't get better,
give it a chance. If it doesn't get better, you can always cut it down.
Yeah, and I wouldn't go back with another maple there. I would go back with a different type of tree. There's a lot of other beautiful trees that are, give us fall color too.
Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.